Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Septian. This is your first time here. I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and this is a video of the Fiil T1XS. These have been out for a while, but I've had them for a while, so I thought I'd go ahead and review them. Now the specs on these are Bluetooth 5.0, and they support SBC on iOS and AAC on Android. You have 24 hours of total playtime. You have not one, but 3 low latency modes for gaming, music, and video. You have in-ear detection, and how that works is in order for the in-ear detection to work or for the music to pause, when you have the earbuds in your ears and you take one out, you have to put it down, like don't touch it. Have the other one in your ear and the music will pause. You also have full touch controls provided by the Fiil Plus app, and I'll leave a link down in the description for the app to use because there's multiple ones. I found a good one on XDA Developers. You also have monitoring mode, which is basically ambient mode, and you have electric noise cancellation for phone calls. You have an IPX5 water and dust resistant, and you have USB Type-C charging with quick charge. These also come with 6.1mm dynamic drivers with a neodymium, whatchamacallit, magnets inside. Now, as far as the price, as recording this video, they are $49.99 on Amazon US. You can save an extra 30% with the coupon at checkout. So do the math, that's around $33, somewhere in that ballpark. Now, as far as call quality is concerned, I'll give you a call quality sample in a quiet environment, starting right now. This is what it would sound like if you were on a phone call using the Fiil T1XS in a quiet environment. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Okay, now that the call quality is out of the way, let's move on to the controls. Now, these are a little different from what you're normally used to. So they're as follows. 1 tap on the left is volume up. On the right, that's next track. 2 taps on the left, they're both pause and play on the left and right. 3 taps on the left earbud is volume down. 3 taps on the right earbud is previous track. And a long press, you cycle between turning the ambient mode on and off. And I don't necessarily think there is a trigger for voice assistant. Trying it for hours, I couldn't find anything, and I looked at the instruction manual and I couldn't find anything. Now, as far as the fit and the design, the case is a piano black. You have an LED indicator light on the front that will blink. I'm gonna take the earbuds out. Well, okay, there you go. It is blinking green. And on the buds, they're also piano black as well. And they come equipped with ear wings. Now, these are the ones that came on by default. I think these are the medium-sized ones. You also have the microphone right here on the bottom. I don't know if that's going to show up on the camera. You also have, I think, another microphone right here. Here's the nozzle. As you can see, I got the SpinFit CP360s. These are the small ones on here. And these are charging pins inside the case. Really compact. If you look at this case, you can already tell what it looks similar to. Now, since I haven't unboxed these, let me go ahead and do a little quick unboxing right quick. I'm gonna pull this little styrofoam thing out. You get a little quick start guide here. I just made a mess. I spent all afternoon getting this looking right. Okay, so you get quick start guide. You get the user manual. Very easy to read, very easy to understand. It goes through pretty much inner wear detection, touch sensitivity. All of that's inside the app. You also get, like, how to put them in the buds. How to put the buds back in the charging case, how they charge, and all that good stuff. And there is a USB Type-C cable, but I took it out and I've been using that as like my default USB Type-C cable. You also get small and large ear wings. You also get 4 sets of earbuds, small, medium, large, and extra small. So since these are a very small earbud, these will work with any size ears, I think. They're very comfortable. I've slept in them. I've worn them for going on the whole time that the battery life will allow me to wear them. And speaking of battery, these will give you 6 hours on a single charge, and you'll get an additional 8 hours with the charging case. So that's 24 hours total. 15 minutes of quick charge equals about 1 hour of playtime, and the charging case will provide 3 extra recharges. Now, as far as the sound quality goes, it's really good. Like, I should have reviewed these a lot sooner. The sound quality on these earbuds are amazing. The bass is really good, and it's not muddy. It doesn't move into the mids, so the vocals sound good. So I've been listening to rap, pop, a little bit of R&B, and some rock, and everything sounds good. I have noticed, I was listening to a song from The Weeknd. Whenever he said like an S word, you could hear like after he said like a S, like that. So I think that's what they call sibilance. So yeah, there is that. But the highs are pretty good too. I mean, from the low end to the high end, the frequencies sound amazing. Now, since we talked about sound quality, I'm gonna move over to a comparison. Now, I said that these support SBC and AAC, and I got some earbuds over here to the side that support the same thing. So comparing these to the Impal X6 that I've already reviewed on my channel, volume wise, the Fiil went out. These still sound good. I don't have a problem with it. I just wish they had more volume, but you know, sound quality wise, they do sound the same. These have in-ear detection as well. These are, I think, let me see, if I'm not mistaken, the X6, yep, the X6s, they do have wireless charging. The Fiil T1XS do not a problem. I also have the original Earphone Freeze, tried and true earbuds, some of the best on the market. You pick these up, these are a good deal. If you want to go and get the Earphone Free 2, have at it. These sound amazing too as well. Sound quality is V-shaped, just like these two. Good volume, they get pretty loud. Now, in my testing, the Soundpeaks Q, they get the loudest and they don't distort. These is why out of the Soundpeaks between the Sonics, these are my favorite as far as like listening to music, and they're very comfortable. So Fiil T1XS, some great bass, wonderful controls. You want to go in here and you download, let's see, I got it right here. You got the Fiil Plus app here. You want to download this. This is very necessary because without this app, it's going to be stuck in easy mode. So when you download the app, it'll unlock the extra touch controls. Oh, and these also have an auto connect. As you can see here, it shows you everything about the battery life. Most of this is in Chinese. And you can change the EQ. You know, so you got low latency mode. I didn't really play around with the low latency mode. And in my experience, earbuds nowadays, they sound pretty good. There's no like lip sync problems when you're watching videos. I was watching Netflix. There's this new anime that came out. It's an old one, but they updated it. Shaman King. I had no problems with lip sync or the audio not syncing with when people are talking or whatnot. So yeah, great earbuds. $49.99. Like I said, I should have reviewed these a lot sooner. So this has been my review of the Fiil T1XS. Be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and thank you for watching.